Hey friends, the device manager doesn't always show non-present devices on the system. Basically, whenever you connect a device, the driver remains in the system, but it doesn't show, it gets hidden. I'll show you. For example, if I open the device manager here, then it will show a lot of drivers, but a lot of drivers are hidden. I mean, for example, the printer drivers will be hidden, the scanner drivers will be hidden, a lot of camera drivers will also be hidden. The reason is that they are not in use as of present. So in this case, you can show them, and I'll tell you how to do this. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane, and then copy this command to the elevated command prompt window and hit enter, and this will show all the non-present drivers. Another way, an easier way, is to simply click on view in the device manager and select show hidden devices, and you'll notice that there are a few devices which will be softer in color, lighter in color, and they are the ones which were hidden earlier. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.